In this video, we're going to learn how to determine whether a number is positive, negative, or zero. First, we'll take a number as input from the user. Now we'll use a series of conditional statements to check its value. If the number is greater than 0, it's positive. If it's less than 0, it's negative. If it's exactly 0, well, it's 0. Here, I'm using the else block directly for 0. Running the code to see the result. First I am entering 5 and so the result is positive. Next I am entering 0. Result is 0. Now I am entering -9. Result is negative. Subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button,